How's it going? All Simple here, and as you can see, the camera quality is peak! Well, actually, we got this little autofocus box that's gonna keep going onto my face, but it's not choppy anymore, like any of the other videos. Alright. The team has changed quite a bit. We could do a recap, but who really cares? All I know is that we got a bunch of mandatory fights in this fucking gym, dude, so let's see what type it is. Okay, so it's either a dragon or a flying gym. Oh my god, this thing's got sheer force. What the fuck? Let's go into Bergmite and just see what it has. Well, it just de-danced, so that's fucking scary. Alright, it's got Dragon Breath, so it's probably going for that. How about the Mightyena? I don't even know what to do, guys. Like, this team is fucking ass. Our level cap's 34. They just de-danced again in my face. Yep, there's... I mean, to be fair, that's special when you're raising your attack. Okay. I'm going out to Trubbish. Oh my god. Alright, fake out. Chips. Sludge Bomb. Let's get the poison, guys. Oh my god, he danced 4 times. Well, we got the poison. And you had a lump. He danced again! Oh my god. Come on, it's 30% chance, I think. Oh, that's dead. So I can either come in here and hit it with... Did I give you both? No, I didn't give you fake out. I was gonna say I could come in here, fake out, sucker punch. But I think our only chance here is going to Harry. We'll go ahead and copy those boosts. And it's a coin flip on who goes first. And he went first. Oh, but we lived that! Oh, why did I de-dance? Why the fuck did I de-dance? Oh my god, dude. Oh, fuck. And we lost the Pokemon. Man, shit sucks. Oh, well, that was our last Super Potion. Alright, I'm just gonna keep going. If we lose the lock here, we lose the lock here. I want to say we go left. Nope. Oh wait, yep, we do go left. My instincts were correct. I should never doubt myself. Okay. If it's a Dragon Gym, who do I want in the front? Who has Ice Fang? None of you. And Bergmite doesn't count. Alright, well, we do have the Ice Fang TM. Let's just go ahead and pass that around super quick. Here, you can have it over Covet. I'm just gonna go ahead and pass this around super quick. Maybe over Water Gun? No, we shouldn't do that. Probably just over Flame Charge. Oh, Trubbish is dead. He doesn't need this. Alright. I miss Mayberry, sitting on the porch sipping nice cold cherry. Go. It's a flying gym! I mean, Yanmega is scary, but Ice Fang. Ooh, we got the freeze! Thunderfang, bitch! I probably should have Seismic Tossed there. But we got the crit. Oh no, I don't think it was crit, I think it was just super. Okay, this one's got Cursed Body. Thunderfang. Yeah! Alright, I went for the Reflect. So we'll just Seismic. Ooh, that did nothing. Yikes. Alright, but his confusion's gone now. Alright. Oh, you don't get pursue, do you? He might get pursue. Let's go to Harry. Alright, let's switch into Mightyena. Echoed voice. That's rude. Alright. Bet. And no new Pokemon dead. Alright, go ahead, heal up the Prince, Harry, and Mighty. Everything was black and white. Alright, then we go back to the right. Yes, sir. Let's see. Do we want to keep leading Prince? Or do we want to switch? I kind of just want to go into Harry, honestly. Just so we can scout out exactly what their Pokemon's going to have. Alright, what do you got? Archeops. Okay, that's a strong Pokemon. Okay, this has actually got a lot. Let's go for a Dragon Breath. Yeah, if we get the para. Okay, they got the para on us. 30%. We did not get the para on them. I'm gonna go for it again, though. Yep. Oh, fuck. It puts us in a weird spot. You do have a flying move, so I'm not going on to Prince. Let's go to Kyler, just in case you go... I don't even know. Oh my god. Of course you fucking crit me. Dude, why do I even play this damn game? I'm so sick of this shit. I guess we're going to Mightyena. Fucking awesome, dude. Milk drink. It fucking crit me again! It's gonna outspeed me. I don't know why I even fucking came into this. It's gonna outspeed me and kill me. Eat a fucking Ice Fang. I don't care. Lock's over, guys. A fucking Archeops just fucking swept us because he got two fucking crits! Fucking stupid, dude. It's fucking dumb, dude. Alright, well, that was a great introduction to the new camera quality, yeah? Fucking auto box. Get off my face, you bitch! Alright. I mean, that was the white Nuzlocke, guys. Did you enjoy? Because I'll tell you what, I certainly didn't enjoy coming back after a week, finally getting my camera looking good, and we got fucking swept because an Archeops got 2 crits. 2 crits that absolutely fucking mattered. Oh, speaking of which, because Zombies is playing in my ear right now. Zombies 4 just came out. I'm going to be reacting to that over on the reaction channel. Up and Away is going to be coming out in the next couple days. I just got to finish editing it. That's all I got for you guys. I'll leave a card to the other channel at the end of the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.